Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or turn off automatic maintenance in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand schedule. Click maintenance. Right-click, new, DWORD 32-bit value. Type maintenance disabled. Change value data to 1. Click OK. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.